Here we need read the question but read the last line as of now. Number needed to treat is all we need to know, and we know the formula for that. A researcher conduct a clinical trial to test the efficacy of a new drug A to treat tinea versicolor. They recruit a total of 500 participants for the study. The participants are randomized into two groups in equal numbers. Group 1, the study treatment group, is given drug A, while group 2, the control group, is given the current standard antifungal therapy after the completion of therapy. 190 participants from the treatment group and 165 participants from the control group are cured. Which calculation below represents the number needed to treat? So number needed to treat, I'll tell you the formula. So you don't have it, you don't have that particular thing. Number needed to treat is this. It is 1 by absolute risk reduction. Absolute risk reduction is the difference. So here is your option again. You need to know now, you need to know the difference and divide it by 1 or inverse the ratio. So you'll get the answer. Now this is again calculation below number needed to treat. For number needed to treat, you need to know the difference, and 1 upon reciprocating that will give you the answer. Number needed to treat is the number of individuals who should be treated to get one more individual when compared to the control group. It is a reciprocal of the absolute risk reduction, which is the difference between cure rates of the study treatment and control groups. In the given trial, 500 participants are randomized and divided equally into two groups. Of these participants in the study treatment group, 190 are cured. As per the intention to treat analysis, the cure rate is 190 by 250. For control group, it is 160 by 250. So the absolute risk reduction is 25 by 250. So number needed to treat is 1 upon absolute risk reduction, that is 1 by 25 by 250, that is equal to 250 by 25. That is, we need to treat 10 patients to cure one patient. If we treat 10 patients, one patient will be cured. Number needed to treat, smaller the number needed to treat value, more efficacious is that particular drug. Number needed to treat is also described here in your first check. If you can, if you want to know, it is given in there. Number needed to treat, number of patients who need to be treated for one patient to benefit. Lower number equal to better treatment. And it is basically, the formula for number needed to treat is given to you. It is 1 upon absolute risk reduction. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.